Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm super excited to share another DIY project with y'all. Now I woke up this morning and I was gonna go Christmas shopping, but my throat was hurting, so I decided to gargle with a little salt water, and of course it was raining out, so I decided I'd stay home and do a little project. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I have my picture frame and I have these letters that I got at Hobby Lobby that spell out joy, and I'm going to go ahead and paint those black because I am using the buffalo check ribbon and I think that will look nice, and I will be making a bow in the corner. So let's go ahead and paint our letters and we'll set those aside and let them dry. Well, I went ahead and laid down some computer paper so I don't get anything on my table. Now I am using black paint, but you can use any colored paint you'd like. I happen to choose black because I am doing the black buffalo check ribbon, and I'm going to make a little bow, so I thought black would go nice with this. So let's go ahead and paint our letters. And then once these are done drying, we are going to go ahead and flip them over, and then we're going to do the back side. Okay, while our letter's drying, I want to go ahead and show you how to make a bow. Now all you have to do is fold over the edges, and now that it's wired, it'll stay down. Now I've cut a length about 6.5 inches because I want the bow to be kind of big because the frame is big. So now that I have the sides folded, all I need to do is take my hot glue and just put a little glue underneath there. Pinch that. Then we're going to go ahead and do the other side. Just pinch that, and then the only thing you have to do, you got your ribbon, is go in the middle and pinch those together and gather it, and then just fan out your little bow here like that, and then come back with your hot glue and put it in between the little folds here, and that will hold it together. Now I suggest being real careful with the hot glue because it gets on your skin and it can be real hot. And then just hold that for a minute to make sure it's sticking. Then we're going to go ahead and put a little dot here for our little berry. Now I am going to use red because I have red bulbs that I'm going to be using. And then you just place that right in the middle. And give that a few minutes to dry, and there you have a cute little bow. I went ahead and added my ribbon to both of my bulbs, and then what I did was I went ahead and folded my ribbon over my frame and gave it a little hot glue. So I have my hot glue gun, and we're going to go ahead and attach the lettering to our fabric and just put a little bit of hot glue on there. And I think I'll start it right there. So I went ahead and flipped my frame over. Now I'm going to attach this ribbon to the back of my frame, and I probably want it about that length there. And then just press that down real good onto the back of the frame. And then I'll go ahead and cut that off. But I want to make sure that the other side is equal before I glue it. I went ahead and attached my fabric to the bottom of my frame, so make sure that you have the right length so you can attach it, or if you wanted to, you could not attach it and leave it hanging, but I think I like it this way better. So now all we have to do is attach our greenery and add our bow. So I went ahead and made another one, so I want to share with you guys what it looked like. This one, I used the white paint for the lettering and blue bulbs, and then I added the little berries to the greenery. So again, you guys could use any colored ribbon and any colored bulbs you like. Well, my project is all finished and I think it came out really nice. I went ahead and used some buffalo check ribbon and made a bow. And this is super easy for the kids to do. This would make a nice fun project in the afternoon. It would also make a nice gift for a teacher or for a grandmother. And you can hang this on a wall, and you can also put this on your table. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy decorating!